Now let's talk some more about your target journal. How do you find your target journal? So first we talked about the audience, and that's a big part of it. So figure out what audience you want to reach, and then figure out which journals that audience reads. One thing you can do is look for papers that are on a similar topic and see where they were published. So that list of journals is going to be a good possibility for your target journal. When you want to see the audience of the journal, what you can do is go to the journal's website where it talks about the scope of the journal and the types of papers that they're looking for, the types of techniques they're looking for, and the types of topics that they're looking for. And that'll give you some ideas about where to submit it. Of course, talk with all your co-authors as you're working towards finding a target journal, and everyone should be in agreement on where to submit it. So get some input from your co-authors as well. Once you decide on your target journal, before you start writing, now is the time to download or print out the instructions for authors. Follow those instructions very closely. These instructions are going to tell you how to write the paper in terms of what should be on the title page, what types of keywords and how many keywords you need, if you need keywords, the length and the format of the abstract, so the word limit for abstract, if there are word limits on the manuscript itself, and it will tell you what kinds of file formats you can upload to the website, both for the text file and for your figure files and your supplementary files. It's also going to tell you how to format your references. And it's a very good idea to cross-reference the journal's instructions with the output in your reference managing software. They should match up, but sometimes they don't, and you have to edit the output style. I've had to do that a few times. And if you decide after you've written the paper that you need to submit it to a different journal, then you can reformat all your references in about 5 seconds compared to retyping all of them, which will take you probably 2 or 3 full days of work.